Hi everyone, I'm Beta Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about a very common question that we get asked, and that is, what is the difference between an N11 and an N9? Well, the N11 is a mutual agreement to end the tenancy. It's basically an agreement to vacate. And it's a mutual agreement, which means that the termination date could be whatever date that the parties agree to. So that means even if the parties are in a one-year fixed term lease and they agree to end the tenancy, there's no penalties to the tenant really. An N11 is very common that it accompanies a cash for keys settlement because a settlement is also a mutual agreement. An N9 is a tenant's agreement to end the tenancy, which means that notice is being sent from the tenant to the landlord. The tenant has to give 60-day notice unless, the caveat only to that is unless they've been served with a no-fault eviction notice, and in that case they can give 10 days notice. Now, both the N11 and the N9 can be filed with the Landlord and Tenant Board for an ex parte order, which is just a fancy legal term for an eviction order without a hearing. So you're basically bypassing the amount of time that it takes to get to the Landlord and Tenant Board in order to obtain that eviction order. I hope by now you understand the difference between an N11 and an N9. And I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, always call us first.